What if I told you one of the biggest stars in the world was once rejected again and again? No fame, no money, no guarantee, only a dream. This is the real story of Beyoncé. Beyoncé, years before success. This is a real story about Beyoncé. Today, she is one of the most famous singers in the world. She performs in big stadiums. Millions of people know her name. But before the fame, she was just a little girl with a dream. A little girl in Texas. Beyoncé was born in 1981 in Houston, Texas. Her full name is Beyoncé Giselle Knowles. When she was a child, she was quiet. She was shy in school. But something changed when she heard music. Music made her feel strong. When she was 7 years old, she joined a small singing competition. She was nervous. Her hands were cold. Her heart was beating fast. But when she started to sing, everything changed. She won. That day, her parents saw something special. Early discipline. Her father, Matthew Knowles, believed in her talent. He decided to help her build a music career. But it was not easy. Every day after school, Beyoncé practiced singing and dancing. Not for 1 hour, sometimes for 5 or 6 hours. While other children played outside, she trained. She learned discipline. She learned focus. She learned that talent is not enough. Hard work is everything. A girl group with big dreams. When she was 9, she joined a girl group. At first, the group had 6 girls. They practiced in a small studio. Sometimes there was no air conditioning. It was hot. They were tired. They lost many competitions. Judges said, "You were good, but not special." That hurt. But Beyoncé did not stop. Later, the group became smaller. 4 girls stayed. The group changed its name to Destiny's Child. They believed this was their destiny. But success did not come quickly. Rejection and problems. Music companies said no many times. One record label signed them, then dropped them. Another company promised support, then changed their mind. It was confusing. It was painful. There were also problems inside the group. Some members left. There were arguments. There were tears. Beyoncé was still a teenager. Many young people would quit, but she didn't. She worked more. She practiced more. She believed more. The first big chance. In the late 1990s, Destiny's Child finally got a real opportunity. They signed a contract with Columbia Records. They released songs. At first, the songs were not big hits. Then, everything changed. The song No, No, No became popular. Suddenly, people started listening. Then came more hits. Say My Name, Bills, Bills, Bills. Now the world was watching. But success was not easy. Even after success, life was not simple. The media watched everything. People talked about their clothes, their voices, their personalities. There were more group changes, more drama. But Beyoncé stayed focused. She studied other performers. She watched old concerts. She learned how to control the stage. She wanted to be more than a singer. She wanted to be an artist. Going solo. In 2003, she made a big decision. She started a solo career. Many people were unsure. They asked, can she be successful alone? That year, she released her first solo album, Dangerously in Love. It was a huge success. She won Grammy Awards. Now she was not only a group member, she was a star. What made the difference? Beyoncé's success was not luck. It was years of practice, strong discipline, family support, self-belief, hard work when nobody was watching. Before the fame, she worked in silence. Before the lights, she practiced in small rooms. Before the applause, she heard no many times. A message for you. Maybe you are learning English now. Maybe it feels slow. Maybe you feel shy when you speak. Remember this story. Every big success starts small. Every strong person was once a beginner. You don't need to be perfect. You need to continue. Small steps every day. That is how dreams grow. If you like inspiring real stories and want to improve your English at the same time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to watch more exciting stories and grow your English every day.